Guided 2S is with larger building volume and performs well in printing precision continuously for over 500 hours, meeting the most printing demands of industrial-grade structural parts. 2 options of platform. The bottom can be smoother if printed with standard glass platform, while it will be easier for remove if printed with flexible steel platform. Hardened steel nozzle performs better for PACF filament printing. It is more durable and has better abrasion performance. The auto-leveling function will detect the distance difference from nozzle to the platform of each point and record into the software. The extruder will adjust themselves automatically to a proper position to improve the adhesion performance and printing success. Guided 2S is a great verifying tool for industrial designers and mechanical engineers. It makes design works from idea to real quickly with shorter production development cycle. FlashPrint is the professional slicing software for Guided 2S with default parameter included. One click, you will get a printing file and it can be transferred wirelessly to Guided 2S. Better temperature of Guided 2S can reach to 120 Celsius degree, and it is helpful during ABS or nylon printing with better adhesion, preventing them from deformation. Guided 2S supports instant temperature and speed adjustment during printing process. Resume printing function ensures the printing success after Guided 2S recovers from a sudden power off. The metal frame structure and high accurate aluminum motion components of XYZ axis guarantee that it is within the precision range of plus and minus 0.2 mm. Even printing tiny needle object can get good effect.